So, what's up guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
And I'm Steph, your vlogger.
And I'm Judy, your girl.
So, it's the 26th of November.
Gaga, 27 to subong.
Sorry lang. So, it's 27th of November.
So, in today's video, we will have our grammar tutorial.
Yes, a grammar tutorial about the 4 types of sentences according to structure.
So, what is a sentence?
So, a sentence is a group of words, clauses, or phrases with a subject and a predicate, and it expresses a complete thought.
Correct. So, there are 4 types of sentences according to structure. The simple sentence, compound sentence,
The complex sentence, and the compound complex sentence. But first, what is a simple sentence?
A simple sentence consists of one independent clause. An independent clause contains one subject, predicate, and expresses a complete thought.
So, an example of a simple sentence is... wait a second.
So, let's just call our baby girls. Baby girls, pasok.
Ano? The cat is running.
Example, simple sentence, Dai.
So, example of a simple sentence is the cat is running. So again, a simple sentence consists of one independent clause which has a single subject and a single predicate. So in this case, the word cat is a subject and the word running is a verb or the predicate. So indeed, this is a simple sentence.
Next is the compound sentence.
A compound sentence consists of 2 independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction or a semicolon. This coordinating conjunction is also called as the fan voice.
Fan voice stands for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so.
So, example of a compound sentence is...
Baby girls,
Ako?
dili, gusto mo makagraduate ni Miss Rvie?
I love him but he doesn't love me.
So, this is the example of compound sentence. I love him, but he doesn't love me.
So, in this case, the 2 clauses here is I love him and he doesn't love me, joined by the conjunction but. So, this is an example of a compound sentence. So, and now we're done with the compound sentence and let's go to the complex sentence.
A complex sentence is composed of one independent clause and one dependent clause.
So, a dependent clause starts with a subordinating conjunction and has a verb and a subject but does not express a complete thought. So, what is an example of a complex sentence? Baby girls?
Ako?
Dili, siya.
We missed our plane because we are late. Hoy, mga igat!
Igat. Sorry lang.
This is the example of complex sentence. We missed our plane because we were late.
So, in this case, the independent clause is we miss our plane. And the dependent clause is because we were late. Again, a dependent clause starts with a subordinating conjunction, which is the word because. And it is not expressing a complete thought.
So the last type of sentence according to structure is the compound complex sentence.
So, a compound complex sentence is a sentence with 2 independent clauses and 1 or more dependent clauses.
So, this is the example of compound complex sentence. Judy Ann loves to dance and Stephen loves to sing because they are born with talents.
So, in this case, the 2 independent clauses are Judy Ann loves to dance and Stephen loves to sing, joined with the coordinating conjunction, which is the word and. And the dependent clause is because they are born with talents. So again, dependent clauses starts with the subordinate conjunctions like the word because. So that's it. That's the example of a compound complex sentence. So that's it. That's the 4 types of sentences according to their structures.
The simple sentence, the compound sentence,
The complex sentence is the compound complex sentence. So don't forget to smash or hit the subscribe button there and click that ring bell to get notified. So again,